Hello guys, this is Shoaib from Allied Solution and we have received our RKI gas detector. It is a multi-gas detector with 4 gas sensors LEL, O2, CO and H2S. We have received from its customer. It is an explosion-proof gas detector, and as per the complaint that it is not sensing is one of its sensor. So let's open it and check what is the problem in this sensor. So it's open. We start calibrating. It is explosion certified and is made in Japan. So it's calibrated itself. We have received the charging dock and sub accessories. So its indication showing is a sensor fail. Okay, let's see that CH4 is working, CO2 is working, H2S is working, but oxygen sensor is not working correctly. So we will repair it and we will change this O2 sensor, and in the next video we will update you that is it working or not. It receive a charging dock, some gas clip, chargers and the data work, paperwork. So we will update you in the next video. So let's turn it off. Thank you guys. If you like this video, keep watching Allied Solutions and do like and subscribe our channel. The model number is GX-2009. Thank you very much.